Hey traders, it's still Irvin here. Hey guys, this is what I'm gonna do this week. This week is gonna be completely different. I'm gonna break down my proven strategy for trading EURUSD, USD30, and USDJPY. So here's USDJPY. I also gonna give you exactly what is going on with US30. One of you guys, trader, asked me, hey Irvin, can you break down USD30 on your next weekly analysis? And here it is, guys. Another amazing pair that I'm gonna give you is going to be EURUSD, and one more trade that I'm gonna bring up. So stay with me to the end, guys, even if you follow one of those trades that I just gave you. But whether you are a seasonal trader or just starting in this business, this video is for you. So let me go ahead and start, guys, with the very first pair of the week, and that it is USDJPY. Guys, let me break it down because it's very important. Let me know, guys. You know what? Let me remove this Fibonacci lines that let me know if you want, if I call them AA lines, this white line in the middle. So let me know if you want to see them in there, because if you don't, then you know I can remove them. If not, I can just leave them in there. But this is the way we're gonna do this week, guys. This week I want you to pay close attention. I'm gonna be breaking down this pair very slowly, because the goal here is for you. We come into 2024, guys. If you are planning to continue trading on this business, you need to trade with rules. That's it. And I'm trading with multiple time frames. So what I like to pay attention on multiple time frame is I like to pay attention what the dashboard is letting me know. If you pay attention here, 4 hours in daily time frame is letting me know that the daily time frame is still selling on USD30, right? That's what it's saying. It's still selling, and the 4 hours is contradicting. It's going against the trend. So what do you need to do? Remember one thing, guys. When the market is, when multiple time frame shows up and tell you TWE is in a buy, you will be getting these green stairs coming up, letting you know the trend here is only going up. Yes, you will be getting this pullback, but overall the market is in a buy. When the market is selling, you're gonna be getting this TW sniper entry telling you, hey, TW is in a sell, stairs are gonna keep coming up, and boom, market drop. Okay, it's that simple. It's no magic, to be honest. It's the trend. You're gonna see it, guys. There's no way you're gonna get confused. There's no way, guys. Now that we know the dashboard is contradicting, what do we need to do? We need to go to real data, real time, right? Because that's what we're here for. We're here only for real data. Look at here. What did I say on the TW sniper entry? Look at here. Look at the daily time frame. It's letting me know the market here in a sell. Look at multiple time frame is here. TW sniper entry is here. Look at the stair. Boom, 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 boom. So overall, multiple time frame is selling, TW sniper entry is selling, while multiple time frame is selling, stairs are selling, stairs are in a red. Look at the movement. Boom, it dropped. But why is the 4 hours going against? Because this is considered a small pullback. So pullback is over, basically. And then from here, what am I expecting to see? This is my real analysis, guy. I like to analyze the market only what is going to happen on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. That's what I do here on this channel, guys. I don't like to show you anything else. I don't like to show you back data like many other traders. They love to make videos when they're already in profit. I like to make video when data does not exist. So when you come back on Wednesday or Thursday, you're gonna say, you know what, Irvin, you were right on point. But this is my analysis for this week. All I'm seeing here, market still selling, so still selling here. So overall, market is gonna come back and retest your 23.6 Fibonacci level. Why this level? Because there's previous multiple touches in here, multiple time frame in here as well. Then the market is gonna do a small retracement, exactly what happens in here, and then boom, market will continue on that sell position. Because overall, USDJPY strategy breakdown still in a sell position. That's why it's very important, guys. It's very important to look into your key support and resistance level using our multiple time frame indicator for precision entries. And be patient, guys. And discipline is the key in this business. If you don't have discipline, you don't have patience, this business will never work for you. Okay, so I don't want any of you guys to blow your account and then you're gonna be hating this business, and you're gonna give up. No. My goal here is to teach you with patience. All right, let me show you the next pair, guys. The next pair is gonna blow your mind. That is going to be EURUSD. But I'm not gonna show you the real data, guys. I'm not gonna show you the real data. What is the very first thing that you need to pay attention? Take your time, guys. What is the very first thing that you need to pay attention? Because look, the answer is there, guys. The answer is there. So look. Very first thing, guys. Let me see. Look at that. Let me show you the real data so you're not gonna get confused. Look at here, guys. If you pay, let me show you the back data versus the real data, because I want you to understand. Look at back history here. Multiple time frame is here. Boom. I'm sorry. Multiple time frame is here. Boom. TW snapper interest here. Look at the stairs, guys. Look at the stairs. Boom, 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 boom. So overall trend here on EURUSD is only going in one direction only, and that it is in a buy trend. That's it. Let me bring this up, do it all over again, guys, so you will never ever look. This is my templates, guys. If you want it, let me know. I can give it to you. All right. So look at here. This is me, guys. Look at it. Market still in a buy trend, right? Oops. Let me go ahead and do it in a different way. So this is what I like it here. I'm doing it again, wrong. Let me delete everything. Let me press the right button, and look, I'm gonna redo it all over again. This is what I'm seeing here. Market still here is going up. All you're seeing here is, look at this state here going up. Yes, market can still push back up to this previous multiple time frame one more time. From there, market is gonna come back and give us a pullback. Market need a pullback, guys. A very heavy pullback. In my opinion, market is gonna come back and retest this previous low here, which is your trend line one more time, and then from there, market gonna make another pullback. So overall, we all know the market here is going up, right? So market still gonna be pushing up. We're coming back and retesting this entry one more time, and then it's gonna drop down, give us a strong pullback, retesting this previous multiple time frame, and then it's gonna make another small pullback. If you pay attention to the dashboard, what is the dashboard? Look at here, guys. Here's the answer. There's no way you're gonna get confused. Look at the 4 hours and daily time frame. It's already letting you know the market here, it is in a buy trend. Oh, yeah. It's not doing anything else. Because if it's doing something else, if it's selling, you are going to be blowing your account. And guess what is going to happen, guys? Guess what is going to happen? You will be very, very upset. I don't want any of you guys to blow your account, guys. For real. Let me show you another amazing trick, guys, that I'm gonna the next pair is gonna blow your mind. The next trade that I'm giving you guys, this is one of the traders you guys asked me and say, hey, Irvin, USD30 is in a market sentiment analysis. Can you please break it down? I'm gonna break it down with multiple time frame because that's what I like to trade with, so you can see it. So USD30 is still in a buy trend, but I'm gonna explain you because you told me the market was in a sell. Should I put a sell? Should I put a sell? I said no. Let me add it to my weekly analysis and you will see it. But here it is. Look at this. Boom, it's here. Look, just look at the dashboard, guys. Look at the dashboard. The dashboard will always give you the answer of what you're looking for. Period. It will give you the answer no matter what. You will get an answer ahead of time. Look at the dashboard. What is your 4 hours and daily time frame doing? It's telling you. It's telling you. Every single time frame for 1 minute all the way to 1 month, the market is only going in one direction only, and that is going up. That's USD30. I do not know why you told me the market was in a sell position. I just don't know, but it's okay. If you need help, that's what I'm here for. If anyone need help, guys, and you need to get in touch with me, the link is on the description of this video. Send me a private message and I will help you out. Okay, if you want to get multiple time frame, I'm gonna give you 40% off. Just reach out to me and I give you 40% off. Okay, you know what? Yeah, I give you 40% off. I was gonna give you 30% off, but 40% off is fair. All right, so let's go ahead and now analyze the real data. Look at this. There's no way this trader is taking a sell position. Look, maybe you don't have multiple time frame. Look at here. multiple time frame is there. What is TW Sniper Entry doing? It's in a buy. Look at the stairs, guys. There's no way you are in a sell position. I just don't know why. Look at the trend. What is the real trend doing? Let me bring that arrow. Look at the real trend, guys. Real trend is only going in one direction only. This is my understanding for this week, guys. I believe the market is still gonna be pushing up, retesting this previous multiple time frame line here, which is your resistance. Is gonna come to your resistance, strong boom, and then from there market will be dropping all the way to your 38.6 to between your 26 to your 38.6 Fibonacci level, and then it's gonna make a retracement and go in the original trend. All right, because the real trend here is selling, guys. Is the market is in a bear, the sentiment right now is in a buy trend, but there's no time yet to enter as a sell position, because if you do, guys, you're gonna be blowing your account, and I don't want any of you guys to be blowing your account, because this business is very serious, guys. If you want to master this currency pairs, this video is what you need for. I'm breaking them out very slowly. If you want me to teach you all the strategy that I have, guys, you're gonna love it. So guys, let me know if you like this weekly analysis so far. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you do so, so you never ever miss any video from us. Hopefully, guys, one of you guys is gonna be trading USD30 or either USDJPY or EURUSD. Remember, guys, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm not giving you any signal, nothing like that. This is for educational purpose. If you need help, I'm here to help you out, but I don't want any of you guys to blow your account. Once again, guys, happy holidays. Hopefully you guys had an amazing Thanksgiving, and I will see you guys back on the other side of the channel. Hasta la vista, baby. Boom. Let's trade with 10 with Irvin. Boom, boom.